Most of the time your PowerPoint presentations are going to be given in the same way. The audience is facing you and watching your presentation on a large screen. You're facing the audience with your computer or laptop facing you with your presentation on it. Now this gives you a huge advantage. You can see a special view on your computer monitor that the audience won't see on their screen. This is because PowerPoint has the ability to juggle dual monitors, the audience screen and your screen. The special view just for you is called Presenter View. Now to use Presenter View while you present, just go to that Slideshow ribbon tab and place a check mark beside Use Presenter View. Now when you're using dual monitors, you'll automatically get Presenter View, but because we're only on one monitor here, or when you're practicing, I'll show you how you can activate it. So the first thing we need to do is start our slideshow by hitting the F5 key on our keyboard. And now I'm going to right click and choose Show Presenter View. This looks great. Now we're in Presenter View. So there are some things I want to point out. The first thing that you'll notice is a timer up here. This is the elapsed time of my presentation, which is useful if you know how much time you have. Now, if instead you know what time your presentation needs to end by, you also have a clock on the right hand side, which is useful. If you find this timer distracting, you can just pause it. It'll stop counting. You can also restart it and set it back to 0 again. Now over here on the middle is a current slide that the audience is seeing. You also have the next slide available to you on the right so that you can know it's coming. This is very helpful to you. To navigate to the next slide, you can use these arrows down here. It's going to play your transition and move to the next one and show you what comes after that. Now in this slide I had some speaker notes, so this is where they're located in the bottom right over here. And if this is a little hard to see, it's okay. I can click down here and make the text bigger or smaller so that it's convenient for me to read it very quickly. Now I have some things down here that I haven't gone over yet, but I will in later chapters. But over here is our See All Slides button. I can click this and it's a neat way for me to quickly jump to another slide. I've got my sections here on the left and I can choose what I'm looking for. I can also blank the screen quickly simply by checking a button. We can unblank it by pressing it again. Now when I want to get out of Presenter View and the slideshow, I can come down here to the 3 dots, choose More Slideshow Options and simply hide Presenter View or End Show. This will take me back to my PowerPoint view, so I definitely encourage you to get used to using Presenter View. It's very powerful and it's a great behind the scenes way for you to present all your shows.